Why are you crying?
Because I want Tita back.
You want Tita back?
She'll... kotse natin.
Yeah.
She'll pick up ate.
Kotse natin.
She'll pick up ate and kuya.
But I have to pick up us. Why is raining? Mommy, who made the rain?
Jesus did.
No, the cloud made the rain.
Oh yeah, that's right. The cloud.
The rain went on the cloud.
The rain lives in the clouds.
Daddy, rain! More rains!
I know.
Oh yeah, more rains. Wipe it out, Daddy. Tell Daddy. Andar mo na doon sa mga nanay yung ulan eh. Hindi pwede.
Hindi ko alam.
Abangan mo doon. Hindi pwede.
Bawal yata dun eh.
Why are you crying? Do you know that your bird is dead? Huh?
We're gonna buy new bird.
Kel, do you know that your bird is dead?
Ha?
She don't listen to me. She's not listening. Do you know that your bird is dead?
Yeah.
You know? Huh? Where's your bird? It's dead. Where?
But I want my pigeon.
Your pigeon? Yeah, it's dead nga.
But I want it back.
It's dead nga eh. Daddy will show you. Where is it, Daddy?
Nasa likod.
Oh, it's in the back. It's dead. It's dead last night.
Why does it have to hop around?
The cat ate it.
You know, that's a good question.
Kel,
So, why
the
do you
cat
think
ate your
grasshopper
bird.
hops? Yeah.
Baka hindi tayo makita ng mga nanay.
It's looking for food.
Or maybe that's just how
Ano
it
ba
gets
ba
around.
ako?
Look, see? I can hop too. Bye, Steve.
Diyan o, gumanyan ka
Come
lang.
on, let's go look for more bugs.
Sarado din.
Cat doesn't jump.
Cats doesn't jump.
Kung kailan kasi nasa labas,